You know, we gotta stay grounded. Every morning you wake up, you should go outside, go into nature, take off your shoes, take off your socks, and, walk in some sand, walk in some dirt, walk in the grass, walk on the surface that connects you to the earth. See, when you walk barefoot and you take the time to recharge, because again, everything is energy. So the earth has a negative charge. Anything that touches the ground is a positive charge. So when you take the time to walk in the grass, you're actually doing more great things for your body. It has a lot of health benefits and grounding. It's a pain reliever. It helps with posture. It helps with your mental. Just think of it as like when you plug your phone into the charger to get a recharge. That's what walking barefoot on the ground does. It's like a recharge. It removes any free radicals in your body. This helps with cancer or any other thing you're going through. And just spiritually, you reconnect with the earth. All you need is 20 to 30 minutes of grounding, and you'll feel the effects. You'll feel much lighter. You'll have much more mental clarity. Again, I have this saying I go by: attached to nothing but connected to everything. Grounding helps you connect to everything. So take the time to just walk outside, be in the nature, raise your energy up. It's beneficial, I'm telling you. Try it.